Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy. I'm really pleased to meet you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be using the Roxxsaurus eye palette from Revolution. It's a colour burst palette. If you'd like to know how I got this pink and purple look, please stay tuned. Right, this is the inside of the palette. This one is called the Roxxsaurus colour burst palette. Starting with this colour here, it's called Lavender. Take this colour here called Fetch. I'm sure that's from Mean Girls. And so I'm going to use this one here, which is called Memories. So I'm just applying that to the outer part and just sort of winging it out, if you like, just extending it. Clean, nice fluffy brush now, just to go over that edge there, just to soften up slightly. This colour called Twilight, it is the purple colour. That's not the deepest of colours, even with the wet brush. It's not really dark. Let's try a little bit more, and I am getting a little bit of fallout as well. I'm going to take this beautiful silver colour called Sky with my finger. Let me just, oh yes! Oh yeah, love it. Revolution, you've done it again. I've just used black eyeliner, and I actually used the darker purple just on the very edges, just so there's a slight colour. And I'm going to use just a touch of Revolution waterproof mascara. To use the Perfecting Featherweight primer for my face. I love this, it makes your skin so velvety. And for under eyes, I'm going to use a hydrating primer as well. I bought this from B&M, or was it B&M? Yeah, B&M. The other week. It was like £2 or £3. It certainly wasn't a lot, but it's CoverGirl and Olay, so it's Simply Ageless 3-in-1 liquid foundation. So I'm going to try that. As you can see, it looks like it's got some moisturiser in with the foundation. It's not full coverage, I don't even think it's medium coverage, but it looks quite nice. I might have to go and get me another couple of bottles of this if I've still got it. Say for a couple of £1. It feels really light. I don't usually use a lot of this anyway, because it does seem to emphasise my lines and wrinkles and crepiness. It's good though, ain't it? I'm ancient. Take this translucent loose setting powder. This is the one that I showed you a couple of weeks ago. It's the one with the mirroring, which is always seems to be dirty, but it don't make any, it don't matter. So we've got that, and we've got that there. Very finely milled, very soft. The Revolution Pro Powder Foundation. This one is in F6. As I said, I was going to buy another one of these, so they are on special offer. There's not every shade's available, but the shades that are available are on 3 for 2 as well, on the sale price. I want to show you this or the Roxy palette. This is what it looks like in the palettes. All of the palettes are £10 each. So on this side you've got your contours, and this side you've got highlighters, which obviously they're going to cover quite a difference in skin colours and tones. I'll use that for bronzer. I'm going to still use a more liquidy contour. I'm going to use this Fast Base concealer for my contour. It's in a darker shade. This is dark. I'm only going to add a tiny little bit, and I'm going to blend it in as I'm doing it. I'm going to blend it in just in case. I say, as you've seen, you need just the tiniest a few dabs for that. That'll last forever if that be the case. So I think I'm going to use these two colours here, so obviously it's not too dark. Oh, the blusher Reloaded. I think these are only £3, which you get a lot of product. You get 7.5 gram. Use the highlight out of it. Wow, can you see how bright they are in my lights? Wow. Okay, so I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this lighter one here because it's got that sort of pinky tone to it. Oh crikey, that's done it. It does go with that blush very nicely actually. And so I'm just going to use the High Art Revolution fixing spray just to mould all these, or melt all these powders in. This one is the Cookies and Cream. That seriously is the nicest smelling fixing spray I've ever smelt. Today we're going to use one of my Jeffree Star liquid lips. This one is in, oh, where's my bloody, I can't see a thing. I know what it is as well and I can't remember. So not only is my eyes going, my memory's going as well. This is called Scandal. This is a lot lighter than I usually wear, but I think I've got enough colour on my eyes without going mad on the lipstick. My lovelies, that's the finished look for today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you have, give us a thumbs up, that would mean the world to me. And if you haven't and you'd like to, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you soon. Love you loads. Bye.